ISIS, then just telling you about the training they're getting. Now CNN is getting details on exactly the kind of help they're getting in terms of weapons and money from the United States. Millions of dollars worth of weapons and ammunition flowing into Iraq in just the last couple of months. CNN's Barbara Starr at the Pentagon with more.
John, Christine, we've learned that the Pentagon has been shipping weapons to Iraq since the beginning of the year to help those Iraqi forces get ready for their next fight, widely believed to be the fight to retake Mosul. Let's take a look at some of the equipment now being sent since the first of the year. We know that there have been 10,000 M16 rifles, 10,000 optical scopes. That's equipment, technology that goes on top of the rifles to help increase the actual targeting, to make it more precise, especially in urban environments like Mosul. Also 23,000 ammunition magazines and another 250 or so MRAP vehicles, mine-resistant vehicles, because it's known that ISIS is likely to mine and booby trap the Mosul area. But an alternative scenario is emerging. The Pentagon has talked about conducting that Mosul attack in the April-May timeframe. Now, Defense Secretary Ash Carter making it clear he's not quite ready to sign on to that yet. He wants to know that the Iraqi forces are really ready to go. One official is saying if they go to Mosul and they can't succeed, that would be very bad. So they want to make sure they have the training and the equipment to be successful. But another alternative scenario emerging, will the Iraqi forces actually go to Mosul first, or might they go to western Iraq, go to Anbar province, west of Baghdad, which is not so heavily populated? It might be an easier task for them. John, Christine.
All right, Barbara Starr. Thank you, Barbara.